Hi everyone, just wanted to follow up with a quick video of where these settings are in Respondus. So after you've imported your questions in the Canvas personality, you'll go ahead and click on Publish to Canvas, Publish Wizard, and Publish to a single course. Right here is where the meat and potatoes are of your permissions. So you'll go to Edit Settings, and we have an updated URL here. That is in the email that was just sent around from Christopher, but I can also send just the email, or the URL rather, because it was a screenshot. You'll go ahead and give it a description. I just called it BPU server, and your username and password are going to be what you use for your BayPath email address to unlock your computer. So this is your server password for BayPath. Once you click OK, I'll cancel. So every single time you have to enter your username and password, but checking it to automatically save was one of the issues that I had previously. For this particular course, I'm going to select Question Bank, Next, and then select the course. You do have to add yourself as a designer or instructor in order for it to show up here, and then you're good to go. Once it's there, you'll just click Finish. Hey, sorry, I was recording a video. That's okay. Oh,